Okay. You know, I gotta sanitize first before I mesmerize. Yeah, let's go. It's Walter, baby, with the MTN challenge. Here we go, man. Listen to the advice. And it's a lockdown, lockdown. Everywhere is lockdown. The offices are locked down. The markets are locked down. The roads are locked down. Everywhere is locked down. Why are they locked down? Curfew? It's a COVID-19 lockdown. Lockdown, lockdown. Everywhere is locked down. The offices are locked down. Markets are locked down. The roads are locked down. Why are they locked down? Curfew? Man, it's a COVID-19 lockdown. Gotta listen to this advice, because it's gonna keep you alive for long, What? Let's go. You gotta wash your hands with soap, but don't be left behind. Let's go. Use sanitizer and don't joke. Life is precious than your joke. Please stay at home and don't roam. And if you work from home with MTN data bundles, MTN has got you covered with the work from home data bundle, Yeah, you can use it to stay clear of your hustle. Oh man, sanitize again. And it's a lockdown, lockdown. Everywhere is locked down. Why are they locked down? The offices are locked down. Markets are locked down. Roads are locked down. It's a COVID-19 lockdown. Lockdown, lockdown. Everywhere is locked down. Why are they locked down? The offices are locked down. Markets are locked down. Roads are locked down. Curfew? It's a COVID-19 lockdown. Listen. You gotta stay indoors. Avoid inviting visitors for now. Avoid happy hour for now. Wash your hands with soap. Don't shake your hands. And enjoy your sleep in this lockdown. Walter, baby.